Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to show you how to make this Crochet Granny Stocking. I made it with an F hook and medium worsted yarn. The pattern is down below in the description and in the comments. Also, if you'd like to place your video in slow motion, the link for that is down below, as well as a playlist for beginner stitches. You can make this stocking bigger if you'd like. It's great to place candy canes, candy, and money inside. From top to bottom, it is about 5 to 6 inches. And like I said, you can add more rounds or use a bigger hook to make it bigger. Okay, so let's get started. Slip knot onto your hook and chain 4. And then slip stitch into the beginning chain to create a ring. You can also do the magic circle as well. There is a link down below on how to do the magic circle. Then chain 3 counts as your first double crochet. Then create 2 double crochet in the ring, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over and pull through, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops to complete the double crochet, and then work another double crochet inside that ring. Then chain 1, and then you're going to work 3 double crochet again. So you will have a total of 6 sets of 3 double crochet and then chain 1s. Continue until you have 6 sets of 3 double crochet with the chain 1. Slip stitch into the chain 3. You can fasten off, and then you're going to insert your hook with a new color into the chain 1 space. So grab the yarn and slip stitch, then chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and then work 2 double crochet. Skip 3 double crochet, and then in the chain 1 space work 3 double crochet, a chain 1, and 3 double crochet. Make sure to chain 1 and then work 3 double crochet in the same chain space. Then you're going to repeat that again in the next chain one space, you're going to do the 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, repeat that until you get back to the 3 double crochet. Work that back to the beginning. End with a 3 double crochet, and then you will do a chain 1 and then slip stitch into the chain 3. Then chain 1 and then slip stitch into the chain 3, and then you can fasten off. Then yarn over and pull through, and you're going to start the next round for another color. With the new color, I'm going to slip stitch in between the corners and work a 3 double crochet and then 2 double crochet. And then in the chain 1 space, I'm going to work 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. Chain 1 and then 3 double crochet again. In between the 6 double crochet, you're going to work 3 double crochet. In the chain 1 space, you're going to do a repeat of 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochet. Repeat this around until you get to the beginning. Slip stitch into the chain 3 and then fasten off. And then you will slip stitch with a new color, which I will start back with the cream. This is just repeat. I'm going to slip stitch in with my new color and chain 3 and then work 2 double crochet. Now work 3 double crochet into the next space. And in the chain 1 space, work 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, and you'll repeat this around. If this is too fast, place this in slow motion or pause your video. So work 3 double crochet in the next 2 spaces, and then work your corner 3 double crochet, chain 1 till you get to the beginning. Slip stitch in the chain 3 to join. Now I'm going to do a round of red. It was done the same exact way, and I'm going to take my yarn needle and weave in all of my ends in the back. This is a hexagon, so you will have it faced that way, and then just fold it over and it will look like a little boot, just like this, and you are going to single crochet around and leave the top open. I'm going to slip stitch in with a different color and then single crochet by connecting both of the ends and the sides together. Single crochet, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then repeat that until you get to the top, but you will leave the top open. Single crochet around the edge, make sure you leave it open, don't connect the 2 ends together. Go around. You can create a little loop to hang it, and go ahead and slip stitch and then do a chain of 10 to about 15. I did a chain of 12, and then after that I did a slip stitch, and then you can weave in all of your ends again. I hope you enjoyed this crochet stocking, and there is a crochet Christmas playlist if you'd like to take a look. The pattern for this is linked down below in the description and in the comments. I approve all comments, so I appreciate everybody that leaves a positive comment or if you have any questions. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.